Hello! Andito tayo ngayon sa Villar City Road sa may bungad lamang. At this portion that opens out into Paliparan Road. Kakagaling na kasi natin ng Tagaytay City, Cavite. We conducted a site visit to a house that is to be renovated by us soon. Now, pauwi na tayo. Ito ang shortcut to get to the village where we are headquartered. Again, this shortcut is inside Villar City. Well, the shortcut is the actual Villar City. Wala pa masyadong developments here except for the famed Foresta Cafe and some other residential subdivisions na very posh. So, habang hindi pa siya ganun ka well-developed without those buildings yet. Alright, so yeah, let's check it out. Running out of words again, it's been very tiring for me. I haven't slept a good number of hours, so yeah, without further ado, allow me to show you how Villar City right now, 2024 August, looks like. Let's go. By the way, pasensya na I've been using my wiper kanina pa dahil ang lakas talaga ng ulan. So ngayon, buti naman hindi na ganun kalakas ang ulan dito sa ating Villar City. And that's why I am able to turn my wiper of now. Okie dokes. And ang dami ng signages advertising Villar City. Meron tayong, if I'm not mistaken, Camellia subdivision at the side. Not so sure, pakicheck na lang ang Google Maps. I'll be checking that one when I got home. So, mahaba-haba rin itong straight road. Hanggang dulo siya, where it makes a 90-degree left turn. As you can see, the sides are still vacant. Ito na yung sharp left turn. 90 degrees. Medyo maambo na. Gamit tayo ng wiper. Ayan. In a few years' time, probably roughly at least 1 decade, punong-puno na po ito ng mga buildings. Maganda yung perspectives doon sa printed tarpaulins. Daming high-rise buildings. If I'm not mistaken, it's going to be the entertainment capital of the South once fully developed. We'll find that one out. Meron ding UP doon sa may university area niya. Doon sa pinakadulo, no? Hindi na natin napuntahan Di ba Paliparan, tas kumanan tayo, papunta dito sa Villar City. May kaliwaan doon. It's also Villar City. Yun naman, ang dulo niya ay De La Salle University, Dasmariñas, Cavite. So, most likely, the UP Cavite campus is to be constructed over there. Again, zoning, of course, tabi-tabi dapat ang mga similar facilities. So, yeah, most likely it's going to be put up there. Eto na, bigla namang sharp right turn, daang Hari Road. At maaaninagan na natin ang magandang foresta. To be fair, maganda po ang foresta. Maganda ang kanyang pagkaka-architecture at pagkaka-interior design as well. Unfortunately, it is the coffee that is not good in this coffee shop. How ironic is that? It's a coffee shop. The coffee is the one that's supposed to be good. But nope, it's the designs that are good over there. Again, ang lasa naman ng kape is subjective for me. The coffee doesn't taste good. Typical coffee project. After all, they're just the same company, different brands, right? Ayan, may mga subdivisions ding components. And Vistaland Company, Foresta Subdivision, Brittany Subdivision, if I'm not mistaken. So, hindi lang ito puro high-rise, mid-rise buildings, entertainment complex. Again, we have that UP campus to be constructed. Meron ding subdivisions, single attach, single detach. Ayan. And we are here in the Rotunda. Before that, meron tayong posh subdivision over there. Amore. At Portofino. Very Mediterranean. At ito na nga po ang ating rotunda. Mini rotunda. Alright, that's it for now. Sa next video na natin, papakita ang other portions ng Villar City. Thank you guys.